Hello and welcome back to another nail video. We are currently on day 12 of my mini series 31 nails of Halloween, and I am so proud that I have made it this far. It has definitely been a long journey, but I am going to keep pushing and continuing right along. I truly hope you have been enjoying the content as I complete this spooky set and tell this spooky story. Moonlight Bonds, a Ravenbrook High Halloween. In the eerie town of Ravenbrook, where the moon always seemed to shine a little brighter and the autumn leaves whispered secrets in the wind, there was a high school unlike any other. Ravenbrook High School was known for its mysterious students, a peculiar group who roamed the halls by night. At the heart of this mystery were the vampires, who had long inhabited Ravenbrook. They were immortal creatures who had decided to integrate into the human world by attending the local high school. But fitting in wasn't easy. Their pale skin and crimson eyes often set them apart, and they had to hide their true nature to avoid suspicion. The leader of the vampire clan, a charismatic and enigmatic vampire named Victor, knew that they couldn't hide forever. He believed that their best chance at blending in was to make friends with the human students. So he gathered a group of vampires and encouraged them to join clubs, sports, and engage in other school activities. Elena, a gentle vampire with a talent for music, joined the school choir. There she met Mark, a human student with a passion for singing. Their voices harmonized beautifully, and they quickly became close friends, sharing their love for music and dark secrets. Meanwhile, James, a brooding vampire with a talent for art, decided to join the school's art club. His intricate paintings of nightscapes and mysterious creatures caught the eye of Sarah, a human artist with a fascination for the supernatural. Together they created hauntingly beautiful works that captured the essence of their hidden world. As the Halloween season approached, Victor hatched a plan to reveal their true selves to their human friends. He organized a Halloween masquerade ball at the Ravenbrooks High, where everyone was encouraged to come in their true form, disguised by the costumes of the season. The night of the masquerade had arrived, and the school's gymnasium was transformed into a Gothic wonderland. Vampires danced with werewolves, witches, and humans in a surreal celebration of the supernatural. In the midst of the dance floor, Elena removed her mask and revealed her true vampiric nature. To her surprise, Mark smiled and removed his own mask, confessing that he had known all along. Their friendship deepened, bonded by trust and acceptance. James, too, revealed his vampire form to Sarah, who simply laughed and confessed her fascination with the supernatural world. The acceptance from their human friends filled the vampires with a sense of belonging they had never experienced before. As the night drew to a close, Victor looked around at the acceptance and friendships that had blossomed. It was a Halloween to remember, a night that celebrated the unity of the supernatural and the human. From that day on, the vampires of Ravenbrook High School no longer felt like outsiders, and their bond with their human friends continued to grow stronger, reminding everyone that true friendship transcends differences, even in the darkest of times. And this is how today's spooky set turned out. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next nail video.